Today we're going to be making a very big slime.
Yay!
And strawberry. And chocolate. Hi. They're going to help make a lot of slime. Do you like slime?
Yeah!
I like slime. And hi guys! We already said hi guys. So you need blue, contact solution of course, bowls of baking soda.
How much baking soda?
I mean, of course.
A half a tablespoon of baking soda, right?
And a lot of decorations if you want. Okay, first we have this in here. Remember these? Oh, you need some. We have baking soda inside this bowl, so I think I'm just gonna pour in the glue next. Help opening it.
Now you're putting what? Decorations in there?
Oh, my decoration. Now time to mix it all in. Oh yeah.
Ooh, that looks fun.
It's still done in my hands.
What?
Wait. I want more. Andy got slime in my hair. And now we don't know how to fix it. Oh, look, my handprint. Keep it. Deep rubber. We can put it in a little bag with water. And then I want to keep this. Me too. I want more. Maybe next time we can make more slime. But not do a video. Yes, do a video. No, this video is gonna be a like. Okay, whoever's, like I said on one video, whoever likes this slime, give us 1,000 subscribers. If you like mine, give me 1,000 subscribers. If you like Duke's, give her 1,000. Actually, you might think, what? I like both of them because we did this. Add this in here. It's easy to open bags, right? Ooh la la. Now, easy peasy pumpkin squeezy. It's gonna be beautiful, my slime. Oh, I think I need a little more. I said boom, 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 boom. Where's it coming out? Ooh, I need some on the back. The cow jumps over the moon. The cat in the fiddle. In the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. Cat in the fiddle. The cat in the fiddle. It's gonna be good. Look at this slime. It has lots of decorations on it. I feel like Andy's a bit more stickier than mine. Wow. Oh. Stop it. Mine is feeling gummy. If you liked our slime, don't forget. Give this video a like and subscribe.